Hello, this is Mr. Kent again. First of all, I want to thank all the folks who follow my videos and the subscribers, and I appreciate the comments that you make, and this is just a blessing to me. And I also want to apologize. I'm always wearing a white t-shirt down here in Arizona. I'm 77 years old and I've had 2 heat strokes, and so white is good to keep the sun off my back, and it's very casual. I used to wear suits and ties and all that, but not anymore. So anyway, the reason for this video is I want to let you understand why I get so excited about something like this, okay? And to do that, we have to go back in history to December of 2015. So let's take a look. Let's go back in history. Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com's channel, and today I did my first FPV flight with my Quantum beginner set that you can get from Hobby King for about $79 plus shipping. And so everything went well after I got it all set up, but I wanted to show you how I set mine up, because I wear glasses, and when you wear glasses it's pretty hard to put the monitor on your face, and if I take my glasses off I can't very well see the quad when it's further out. So what I did was I used Velcro, and I taped the receiver on the side of the monitor, and of course, and then I'll run my battery down, and I'll show you what I did after that. And then the transmitter I put on the back side of the quad, because generally it's facing back to its back is facing toward the receiver, so that may help or may not. But anyway, I had good results with that today, so we'll put that over there and get everything where it belongs. Pretty crowded. I did this out in my shop where I have more room, but it didn't come out too well. Then the one thing that I did, see, when I first got into this and I wanted to do FPV, I used my GoPro, which I'm recording this with. I use my GoPro, which has a Wi-Fi on it, and then I set up my phone to receive, and then I made this little gadget that set out here and held my phone. Well, that was okay, except that it was heavy and it kept wanting to pull this thing down. So when I got my Quantum set from Hobby King, I thought I'm going to make it so that all the weight is above the transmitter, and so that's why I made this right here out of PVC pipe. It's made out of 1/2 inch PVC pipe, and what I do is I slide this through there like that, and then I fasten it down, and then I put my monitor up here. I don't know if you can get it all in the camera or not. Let me see. How can I pull that? Anyway, so that puts the monitor above the transmitter rather than out in front of it. And so what the way I did this was I got a lot of Velcro on everything. What I did was I put Velcro on the bottom. I put some here too, but that didn't work too well. So I put Velcro on the bottom of that, Velcro on the top of that, and my monitor's falling off here. Get that out of the way, and then set my monitor up here on top with Velcro. So the dimensions of this, if you want to make one, is that piece right there is about 9 inches long, and that piece, those 2 pieces are about 7 inches long, and the top piece up here is about five and a half inches long. We could say 5. And then the piece that joins the two together is probably just an inch and a half or so. And the whole bunch, there's 4 90s. There's 2 here and 2 here, and then 2 45s, and the whole, I had to buy a 10-foot piece, which I did. I only used half of it of pipe. Anyway, the whole thing costs between $5 or $6, depending on where you live and how much tax there is. And then just to make it stronger, I ground a piece and glued it in here, and I just used the blue. You could use any kind of glue, but I used the blue PVC glue. I put a brace there, and then I put a brace back here. And then by the way, the Velcro right here that you might see that holds the battery that runs the receiver. So anyway, it worked well, and I'll put a few little shots of the flight so you can see how it went. And I'm really happy with it. Like for $74 or $79 is what it ended up being. It's a good beginner's FPV, and if you wear glasses, this is the thing to get or make. All right, I want to thank you for watching, and upcoming is a little video that I made today while I was doing my very first FPV with my Hobby King setup that you get for $74, the Quantum set. Thanks for watching. Well, now maybe you understand why these things are so nice compared to what we used to have to do in order to fly FPV. So I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.